right, welcome everyone to another room tour. This weekend, which is Labor Day weekend 2018, we are at the Intercontinental Times Square Hotel in the heart of midtown Manhattan on West 44th Street at 8th Avenue. The Intercontinental Hotel chain is part of the IHG Group. We are in room 410 on the 4th floor. This is a superior room, which is 350 square feet. Now let's check out the bathroom. All right, this is what I would call a fairly well-stocked bathroom. Plenty of bath towels, plenty of hand towels. I have an interestingly finished countertop here, Kohler faucet, and it appears that the bath amenities are from Agraria, which is San Francisco based, and we have a shower cap, Q-tips, sewing kit, among other things, and lemon verbena shower gel and lotion. And we have a walk-in rain-style shower with some blue tile work here and a spray nozzle and some knobs that control the temperature as well as toggle between the rain-style shower head and the spray nozzle. We'll exit the bathroom and we'll check out the closet next. Alright, so as you saw, the closet is just on the right as you exit the bathroom, and first thing I think one could say is that there is plenty of rack space and hangers. We have space for luggage storage, at least that's what I'm using it for, and the safe, I've already tested it, it works quite well. 4-number combination, as one would expect, and plenty of room, although it may not immediately appear so, plenty of room for all of my electronics and documents with room to spare, and slippers, as well as a laundry bag and iron and ironing board, and probably some additional bedding. All right. Now let's explore the bedroom. And I can confirm that the bed is quite plush. As you'll notice, there are plenty of pillows and, of course, lamps on the nightstands on each side. And these are the sort that have the power outlets, which can come in quite handy. We have an iHome alarm clock with a wireless charging area. And the nightstands have plentiful drawer space. I noticed there was no Gideon Bible. Those are becoming less and less common, it seems. And some literature, a copy of Travel and Leisure magazine, another magazine underneath, and a copy of City View by Intercontinental Hotels. I'd say the centerpiece of what you see before you is the 42-inch LG HD TV. And that is particularly useful because this is the first official weekend of the college football season, and they do carry all of the relevant sports-related channels. Also, a selection of snacks. And in addition to the standard sort of trail mix and candies, They have a phone charger and travel adapter smart solution set, and a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon. And this Your Room at a Glance pamphlet has not only a list of TV channels, which is quite extensive, but it also has a services guide specific to the room amenities and functions. I'll show you the minibar in a moment, but perhaps first we should check out the prices. Looks like it's $32 for any bottle of wine, whether it's champagne, white, or red. About $14 for spirits, and then you have beer and juices. And we also see the prices for the charging kit and some of the snacks. So the minibar is part of this stand just underneath the TV. And one thing to note here is that this does appear to have some sort of sensor technology such that if an item is removed, it is identified and charged automatically to the room. We just saw some of the prices here. Here are the spirits available. And water, Gatorade, beer, soda, and juices. In addition to the mini bar, there is a Keurig coffee maker along with some cups and the little, I guess they're K-cups that can be inserted into the machine, as well as wine and beverage glasses. Now, this hotel does have what they call a destination fee, which is $30 plus tax per night. And at first glance, it does appear to be relatively similar to what Las Vegas hotels call a resort fee. It's basically a daily fee that covers a number of amenities that the hotel claims they would otherwise have to charge you a la carte for. So this one actually includes some unique things that you may not often see in the standard resort fee at a Las Vegas hotel. That includes a $25 food and beverage credit per day, which could be used, I assume, at both room service as well as the Todd English French restaurant that they have on the property. It includes $15 towards laundry and dry cleaning, premium high-speed internet services, and you can see the other amenities there. The person who checked me in downstairs said that one of the easiest ways to recoup the investment that you make in the destination fee is the $25 dining credit. And this is the room service menu. I'm not sure how this compares to the menu at the restaurant, but room service is apparently 24 hours a day. Here we see breakfast, which is served until 11:30 a.m. And then all-day dining. Most of these dishes are only available until 11 p.m., but there are some late-night selections that are available until 6 p.m., which is when breakfast is served. There's definitely some hefty prices here, including wines by the glass, and the main courses for dinner are listed here at the top. Salmon, steak, and fries, pasta, and there's the remainder of the wines by the glass and bottle. All right, I guess we better move on to what I believe they call the workstation in the hotel literature. It has 3 power outlets telephone with some of the key services on speed dial. A note on the checkout time, which is 11 a.m., extended checkout to 2 p.m. for an extra $100 unless you're elite with IHG. And it also appears that you can have hair and makeup services in your room if you are so inclined. Now, this lamp here is quite powerful, makes for a very well lit workspace, and then you also have some very cool looking artwork. Looks like a very contrasting, nearly black and white photo of signs taken with a telephoto lens, where the words and the signage all sort of overlap each other. Some more word art, and then some more sort of collage-like black and white photography. So that's the basic living area. In addition, we have this chair here with an ottoman, as well as a table where I assume one could dine. And then we have our window. And we are again on the 4th floor at the corner of 44th Street and 8th Avenue, Times Square essentially. And we have a view. And since we're relatively low, it almost feels like we're on the street. A view of that intersection, 44th and 8th. There's a restaurant down below. Hustle and bustle of typical Saturday afternoon in early September on Labor Day weekend. If we look down 44th Street, we can see the Majestic Theater, which is currently showing Phantom of the Opera. We are in, of course, the heart of the theater district, and Times Square is just 1 block over. All right, well, I suppose that does it for this room tour, again, of the Intercontinental Hotel Times Square, 44th Street and 8th Avenue in Midtown Manhattan, near Times Square and in the heart of the theater district. This was a 350 square foot superior room, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please join us again next time.